Hi guys, in the form of a video response to some of the comments on some of my previous videos, in particular trying to run this miniature train off solar power, I was going to demonstrate using the electric motors from these hovering hummingbirds, and remembered that I'd got this little conversion I'd done many years ago, which happens to have the motor out of one of those hovering hummingbirds. I can get it out of the box with one hand. Yeah, in there is one of them. That solar panel is slightly different to the one that I used on here, but it was from an earlier version of the solar, what do they call it, hovering hummingbird. This was actually a fluttering butterfly, but it's exactly the same makeup. And if you look at that, those two strips in there look very similar to those two strips there. Anyway, this one, after I'd used it for a while, I converted it to radio control, which is what those are for. I'm going to disconnect all that, reconnect the solar panel direct to the electric motor, that one, and see if we can get it to run. You'll see I've got a really big reduction gear on it to try and give it enough torque to turn the wheels. Of course, when you do a solar project and you're in the middle of a heat wave, which we are at the moment, you know that it's going to cloud over. That is fairly classic. So, if we hold it out here, in what sunlight we've got, you will see the back wheel is turning. Sunlight, no sunlight. So we have a running truck, although that isn't enough sunlight to move it on the ground, I don't think. Not really. Oh, wait a minute. Sun brightened up a little bit then. It almost wants to go. So what we'll do is we'll cheat and use a halogen bulb. It's still not moving. Oh yes it is. But only just. There we go, that's a bit better. So, with the right motor, oh, I know what's happening. It's the steering that's all rubbish that I did for the radio control version. That's what's dragging it down. Yeah. Right, I've done away with the steering on this one, so we've just got a straight through axle. Happens to be a barbecue skewer. So now, we've got a, well, we still haven't got full sunshine. We've got a bit of sunshine. Is that going to be enough to do it? Come on, we had a bit of sunshine just now and it did actually run. Right, quick, bit of sunshine. There we go. Still not full sunshine. That's a little bit brighter than we had. And I think we've lost the sun now. So, oh, I was going to show you that plugged into the other motor, and then we'll do the summary. So we're now plugged into the other motor, the one that's the steering motor, and absolutely nothing happening there. If I use my halogen bulb, still absolutely nothing. Nothing like enough current flow for that type of motor. It needs to be one of those. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.